ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯉꯍꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔ 1 ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯅꯦꯕ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯦ when we do some work or ride a bicycle ko we are using up energy ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯥꯏꯀꯜ ꯊꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯗꯅ even when we are not doing any work or sleeping we need to energy to maintain a state of order in our body ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯀꯩꯝ ꯇꯧꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤꯁꯦ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯪꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ we also need materials from outside the body in order to grow ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯅꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜꯁꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯩ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯁꯥꯏꯠ ꯗꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯀꯣ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯇꯨ ꯔꯤꯄꯤꯌꯔ ꯋꯣꯔꯟ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯤꯁꯨꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯄꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯄꯟꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯐꯖꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ and also to synthesize protein and other substance needed in the body ko ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯖꯜꯂꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯅꯅꯦꯕ ꯐꯖꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤꯗꯣꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯗꯅ ꯐꯖꯅꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯒꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯆꯥꯔ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤꯗꯣ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯅ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯗꯅ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ the sources of energy and material required come from the food we eat ko ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ sources of energyꯒꯤ source ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ from the food we eat ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯐꯨꯗꯇꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤ ꯃꯦꯇꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯇꯦꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯅꯥꯕꯗꯣ ꯐꯖꯅꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯔꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯊꯛꯑꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ next paragraph next paragraphta haisina kaino habana ahanbagi next paragraph ki topic se kaino haba matamda how do living things get their food living things inane akoina ngasai dagi di food chai akhoi isada food chasalli body na food se chare energy lawi ha adubu food se kadai de la ino sine living things inane living organisms inane food se kadai de lawrino kadai de phangino sineba man se hujik tamdoi sina ko the requirement of energy and materials is common to all living organism khuding magnane energy se darkar oi energy ado emasung material energy na tab atopa material se darkar oi ba ko yam darkar oi ba but it is fulfilled in different ways adubu si mapum phahan badine tongan ba different way na mapum phahan bane ba some organisms synthesize their food Some organisms synthesize their food from simple inorganic compounds like carbon dioxide and water ko organism khara dine food se kamaina synthesize tawge kamai lawsan ge haiba matam ne sim kari dagi lawsale habunda carbon dioxide water sidagi laweba this organism is known as autotrophs sigumbo organism sing sibune autotrophs haise ko autotrophs haidi kaino haba matamne organism haidi masana masa mathantagi food semjaba ngambado atopada tangdabado depend tawdabado adudubuneba autotrophs haise ko include kai yawe mangonda green plant and some bacteria green plants sing se samna masana gi machinjak semjaba ngamidana sunlight ki matingna ko photosynthesis thoaga ko adudubane adu green plants singduna amuka fruit piraktoi natra mahai yalaga mahai duna amuka living organism atopa living organism singsina chadoi natro adudo green plant na puthokpa fruits to aduduna living organism atopa living organism sa sign sisu organism makhala maneba autotrophs sign autotrophs na karamba organism haba matamda masana masa mathantagi food to synthesize to bangamba semja bangamba to ko example da kaino green plants duga bacteria atop organism karamba organism heterotrophs heterotrophs haise na kaino habamda utilize the food material synthesized by the autotroph haise autotroph sinane utilize autotroph na semba food to aduna heterotroph na chadeba heterotroph na laushandeba chadeba sina takpadi kaino habde heterotroph se atop organism da depend taweba magi food ki damakta samna habda human beings akoi mi se akoi mi ne isai chinjak se sem ngam jabra samna akoi sem bangam bai thong thakpadu natte ko samna habda akoi na kaida pambi degi mahai se laurani mango se mango tree de mango se mahai se laura khoin chai natro adu mahai du di plant tu na semjai mango tree du na dum semjai natro adu ne atopa de depend tawba haise heterotroph haise adugumba plant sing du di autotroph ko adu na man haise heterotroph se autotroph ta depend tawe habane ba ko next does the heterotroph depend directly or indirectly on autotroph for their food aduna heterotroph se directly or indirectly depend haidi mapan tangi bako autotroph ki directly haidi kaino haiba tam plant do direct chaba do plant direct chaba hai tare samna haiba do example ni koina piri se plant do direct chaba do samna haiba plant na tro meat to meat haidi koina chicken se direct chai dena chicken se direct chai chicken gi product su chai yerum do ko aduna indirectly consume tawba ko weba ko heterotrophic organism include animals fungi and protists heterotrophic organism singsina kai kai include tawi animals hanga singse fungi ko aduga protists si singsini heterotrophic organism gi example aduga autotroph ki example na green plants and some bacteria aina different color na highlight tawri singse important oiba singnuni ko si singse yam important ne si ke loi khangadam ne ko exam da su yam important exam da question sidagi yam hangi ko aina important oiba singnuna aina different color na highlight tawri se hojekti nutrition se makhan ani thokna khaidu eko autotroph haiba maga heterotroph haiba maga ko heterotroph haiba maga hojekti tongan na muktam doine be heterotroph haibam ga heterotrophs ne kaino autotrophs ne kaino detail da muktam doine ba ko next hoje horase ko autotrophic nutrition hai se kaino se horase ba autotrophs take place in simple substance from outside and convert them into more complex form of energy through a process called photosynthesis ka autotrophs se simple substance haidi yam chamba substance amane ba ko from the outside tagi yam chamba substance lam lausalani ko aduga mana quite complex oiba form the energy se into more through a process energy pi doine ba complex haidi energy thadok doine ba through photosynthesis mana kaino haima matam samna plant se ko plant sina sunlight ki mateng na mase plant se grow tawrani ko chawkhatlani plant se mapumarai phar matungda mana fruit puthorak toi natro mahai puthorak toi natro adugi process tu bune ba photosynthesis haise in this process sigi process da ko carbon dioxide and water are converted into carbohydrate with the help of the light energy absorbed by the chlorophyll pigment of the green plants ko sigi process haidi photosynthesis process sidane carbon dioxide ka water ga se carbohydrate ta convert tawe ba ko carbohydrate se fat makhala mani ko carbohydrate ta convert tawe kari gi mateng na haba matam na green plants da haidi green leaves da ko plants da mana du da sangi se chlorophyll yaw bai ne chlorophyll sina sunlight to haidi numit ki mangal se absorb tawni ne energy se absorb taw salaga ngasagi carbohydrate carbon dioxide ka water sina ne carbohydrate ta convert tawni haidi onthok toine ba carbohydrates are utilized for providing energy to the plants, and excess carbohydrate are stored in the form of starch ko. Carbohydrate ngasai onthorkiba carbohydrates to energy provide tawrani plant to the energy pirani dan atuga ahen ba carbohydrate to na ne store tawrani ba starch form in the form of starch ki form na ne starch si jo carbohydrate ki haidi makhalam ni ko fat makhalam ni starch form da store tawduni ba plant da dum ko sigi process ni sigi chemical reaction process ni ba chathai se plant da chathai se ko si yam important ne si yam important ne si reaction se khang de exam yam hang mane si reaction se ko kamaina photosynthesis chathage habadune ba ko kamaina carbohydrate se puthoke habado ko samna nga sai haina carbon dioxide ne water ne sunlight to light energy se absorb tawraga ko light energy absorb tawra chlorophyll ne sine chlorophyll na sunlight se absorb tawi hai ni ko chlorophyll na sunlight se absorb tawi hai ni aduga carbohydrate pira carbohydrate se my formula se C6H12O6 ne ko aduga byproduct haidi ahen ba product su piri ni ko ahen ba product sina kaino water ga oxygen ga se release tawne thadok khidoi ne ba water ga oxygen ga se in the form of energy gi form da ko next sina kaino habu matam na next ki sina kaino habu matam photosynthesis thokpa matam da changba event sing da thawong sing du ne photosynthesis thokpa matam da han ba da kaino han ba paragraph da kaino habu sorry han ba line se sentence da kaino habu matam da chlorophyll of the plant traps the light energy trap haidi absorb tawbadune phajan badune ba ko ma haise chlorophyll of the plant chlorophyll se kadai de yawi plants to gi lip ta ko pambi gi mana sangi do adu do chlorophyll na ne ko aduna mana sing sina light energy sunlight se absorb tawdone ba ko chupsan done ba aduga mathang da tu da na conversion of light energy to chemical energy conversion haidi light energy nga sai mana haidi leaf tu na ne plant ki leaf tu na absorb tawriba energy do chemical energy da haidi onthoni da chemical energy haidi nga sai gi reaction do carbon dioxide ka water ga do chlorophyll na sunlight absorb tawraga carbohydrate onthokpu du ne chemical energy haise aduga and splitting water release tawbudo water ga oxygen ga su release tawidana by product oina ahen the product hai ni ko du do by product haise ahen the product hai ni ba water molecules into hydrogen and evolution of oxygen ngasai water molecules carbon dioxide do carbohydrate convert tawre dana water do na ne hydrogen da convert tawre aduga oxygen release tawre by product oina oxygen thadwe next reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate next kaino haba matam ai husi haibadune carbon dioxide to carbohydrate ta reduce tawre haidi chemical reaction thoaga convert tawe habane ba ko sidi activity ne ko activity sidi school da classroom da oja sing na tawi gadam ne ba ko ado activities di ai tawroi ge ko mathang da kaino haba matam da let us see how carbon dioxide and chlorophyll are necessary for photosynthesis housing na muka nga sai carbon dioxide adegi chlorophyll sing photosynthesis sathaba matam da changi haidana ko adu kamaina ma se changi no habado yenga se ba ko in a transverse section of a green leaf under the microscope see the microscope ta ko see figure se transverse section of a green leaf se ko microscope ta ko see se school lo ja sing na tobi gadam ne ba ko see green leaves se ko microscope ta yenga ko transverse section da ko haidi yung na yeng ba do so the presence of many cells leaf to the ne cell myam yawe ba ko containing green dot myam ma ne cell adu sing do cell organelles natene ba du su green ngaten green yaw de kai no chlorophyll yaw bagi ne ba ko leaf to da these dot like organelles are the chloroplast which contain chlorophyll adugumba dot haidi microscope leaf amase green leaf mana amase ko plant ki mana amase yeng matamdane green oiba dot dot myam uneba ko adudo cell ngataneba ko adudo chloroplast ngataneba adugi cell ming the chloroplast hai ko aduda chlorophyll yaurineba chlorophyll haibase yaurineba. How do plants obtain carbon dioxide? Plants singsina ne carbon dioxide se kamaina pige habaneba ko. Sisine to cross section of a leaf has a transverse section of a leaf haido sisine. Si macha 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 dot dot macha 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 yaurise sisine chloroplast haise spelling su lale chloroplast hai chloroplast haire ko si ke yauroidabane spelling su lale aduda maniste yaise waxy cuticle upper epidermis air spaces gut cell lower epidermis my yawi ko sising sa part ngata leaf to the yaw part ngata ne leaf the yaurise kai chloroplast khata nati atopa su yauri ne ko atopa part sing su yauri ne. Next paragraph, the stomata are the minute opening present on the epidermis of green leaves through which gases move in or out during photosynthesis. Stomata haidi kaino habani is important ni ko stomata se kaino haba matamda ni minute opening sai ne ko min haidi macha 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 haidi makhun macha 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 yawbodo ko epidermis haidi out leaf ki hek mapan ithang thang bado aduduneba green leaf ki mapan thang thang bado aduda minute pores haidi mahut macha 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 openings yawneba ko aduduneba stomata haise through which adudane pores myam yawbado adudaneba ko gas se changbaga thokpaga tawrise adugi mateng adui makhundugi mateng na adu haidi photosynthesis tawringai manungda haidi photosynthesis tawringai manungda gases exchange tawdaba yadeba ko. Water also lost in the form of water vapor through this pore. Water sune water vapor oina lost tawi haidi mang he water ising sisune manin oina thokhiba ko through this pore. Pore haidi sigi makhun sidane ising du su manin oina haidi gas oina thokhiba manin oina olaga ko. Its stoma is surrounded by two specialized kidney sap gut cell haidi its stoma haidi ne stomata khudingi haibane stoma haise plural form dani ko ma haise stomata khudingi ne specialized cell ani na ne guard tawra thamme ba ko haidi koijal la thamme ba to sise guard sise guard tawra thamme ba ko adubu guard cell haige ma se kidney shape haidi kidney bin shape to bin laidana rajma bin do adugi shape ta laiba. A few cells adjacent to gut cell are modified into subsidiary cell ko kaino haba matamna few cell ko cell khara di ko gut cell gi cell khara di ko subsidiary cell haidi ka hai tare kanadaba su cell kanadaba cell haidi lem aremba cell dum ne ba ko subsidiary cell da modified tawe bo on thue ba ko. Next paragraph, this pore close when the plant does not need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Sigi pores haidi karamba pores stomata se close karam kanda tawge haiba matamna ne plant du ne pambi du ne carbon dioxide se darkar oiraktrakan ne photosynthesis thokpa matamna ne pambi du ne stomata se close tawba open tawba leyeba ko close se kom kan tawge haiden pambi du ne carbon dioxide se pamdre ai darkar oidre haiba matamda ne pore sing do close tawgrani haba ko. Adagi the opening and closing of the stomata is brought about by the change in shape of the gut cell ko opening natraga pores to hangdokpa natraga close to ba thingjanbase stomata gi ko sikaina ta honge haidardi gut cell gi shape se change tawrkpa matamna ne hangdokpa adagi khumjanba pores so adu gut cell na loina tawrine ba. The stomatal pore remains open when the gut cells swell due to absorption of water and close when the gut cells shrink. Kaina haba matamda stomatal pore hadi stomata gi pore singdo makhun singdo remain open hang do olay bese karam kan hang do ke hada gut cells ina ne water se ising se mayam ama lawsalaba absorb tawsalaba chupsalaba adugi tawkhatle lerani ba ko gut cells swell tawr lerani ba ko tawkhatle lerani ba adu kanda stomata gi pores to hang do olay ba close haidi open tawr lay ba ko adu karam kanda close to ge haidi karam kanda ne khumjin ge hadan gut cells na shrink haidi ising se mangon de yaudra kanda ising se absorb suk tawdra kanda ne shrink ma se chapchal lerani shrink taw ba haidi chapchal lay ba do adu kanda stomata gi pores se close tawr lay ni ba haidi kupchal lay ni ba ko hang to oroi ba sina next paragraph slare to gut cell open stoma haidi open stomata haibani ko open stoma haidi plural form da haine ko number e se to hang to si se mane absorb tawramina si se chawtho leitra si gut cell se gut cell se chawtho leitra si sina stomata do open tawi haine ko aduma ngonde ising absorb tawne haidi water absorb tawne sing chapsal leitra se si chapsal leibe sibuna shrink tawba kawe sina shrink tawba shrink SIRNK ko shrink tawba kawe sina swell tawba kawe swell tawba tawraga leibado ko swell ko deki next paragraph the water used during photosynthesis is absorbed from the soil by the roots of plant by plant ngasai de water se use edum haidena photosynthesis thokpa matamda adu water se kadai de la ino haba matamda ngasagi plants to gi marado soil da lady ni marado soil du dagi ne laibak tu dagi ne roots na marado na ne plant du gi marado na ne absorb to ni chupchalli ne ba ko atopa nutrients water khatang na te chupchan doi atopa nutrients chupchan doi ne ba ko si important ko ina underline tawsing sho other nutrients like nitrogen phosphorus magnesium and iron etc are also absorbed from the soil si mayam atopa nutrients si material mayam sing sune atopa nutrient mayam haidi nutrient haidi machak sing du bune ba ko si mayam sing sisu soil degi absorb tawe water khatang na te ba nitrogen is absorbed from the soil in the form of inorganic nitrates and nitrites or as organic compound prepared by bacteria nitrogen se soil degi karmaine absorb tawge hai tardi inorganic nitrate inorganic hai tardi masagi structure leijadabado nitrate hargana nitric acid ki soil amane ba ko salt haba duga or nitrites haragana nitrous acid ki salt amane ba ko as organic haragana masagi structure leijaba magi characterization leijaba adubune organic compound haise prepared by kaina prepared tawba bacteria na prepared tawba ko sina sigi video sigi last topic ne ba khoina ngasai tawgri sing sina kaino haibada nutrition ki types ani neba talk to shi types da autotrophic nutrition ne khoi si video to se next video da khoi to du shina heterotrophic nutrition ne ba ko duna mayam na video share pambi be like share subscribe to be thank you